Hey Spinel, you want to be in the video too? Where are you going? Hey there, how's it going? Wanted to show you how to make a concoction that I came up with because I'm an Undertale fan, called the Toriel. Named it myself, and it's pretty simple. So in the game Undertale, Toriel asks you what you prefer, cinnamon or butterscotch, and you get a pie in the game. And this is basically a spin on that. So what you're going to need is some sort of cinnamon whiskey, and you're going to need a butterscotch beer, some sort of root beer, butterscotch flavored. It could also be cream soda, but usually I like to get stuff that's more of like made with cane sugar instead of the fructose corn syrup crap. And this is optional, but creamer or alcoholic cream is pretty much a must. It gives it that pie flavor, I guess you could say. You can use like non-dairy creamer or like coffee creamer. It's better because it doesn't curdle like dairy creamer does. But you know, it's not that big of a deal. So what you're going to do is put a little bit of creamer in, just a little bit. Maybe that's a little bit much. Just so that way there's a bit of the texture in there. And you're going to do equal parts. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Okay, you can go right there. And equal parts cinnamon whiskey and butterscotch beer. What are you doing, silly? So equal parts. You silly little shit. Sorry, Spinel knocked down the camera. And then, like I said, half cinnamon whiskey, half butterscotch. And maybe that's a bit too much creamer, but really you can't go wrong. As long as it's equal parts cinnamon whiskey and equal parts butterscotch beer or root beer or whatever, then that's basically it. It could be a shot or a cocktail. Shots are fun because, like, especially if it's with like Bailey's Irish Cream, or this is Carolan, so it's like cheap Bailey's, but those are fun too. Like it goes down so smooth. It's so tasty. This is dangerous here, and it's really tasty. My God, it's literally like butterscotch pie. It's awesome. Cheers. Come here, baby. Say bye. Say bye to the internet people. Bye-bye. Bye. So, if you guys ended up making yourselves a Toriel, let me know what you guys thought of it, how it tasted, and yeah, or don't. You know, it just doesn't matter as long as you enjoy.